Um, Good PM, everybody. So here comes an application of Publisher, MS Publisher. So you just only click Start, clicking Start, Programs, then to Microsoft Office Publisher 2007. So we have here different popular publication types: blank page sizes, brochures, business cards, calendars, so email, flyers, greeting cards. Then we have also postcards, newsletters. So we just I just would like you to familiarize on how to apply this application for newsletters, for school publication. So here we have different samples created from the students of Mantalongon National High School. So just only click newsletters. So we have newer designs. So just only and click select and click this design. From the classic design, you have bars, blends, capsules, blocks. So there are many for you to design. Okay, just for example, if you would like this design, or I should like this design, um, this one watermark, by using this design. So the default template colors the same default. Then click to page spread, and then you click create on the bottom portion. So this is quite small. Just resize it with 150 of its size, just click 100. So this is now the title phrase. So you can create your own. So let's say, for example, manta manta laan. Okay, the business name is Mantalongon National High School ICT School ICT publication. Just say Mantalongon National High School ICT publication. Okay, newsletter date. Say for example the date today, or say for example December December 2009. The lead story you can change. For example, Mantalongon, we should have to make it in capital. Mantalongon NHS receives computers. Okay, the story that you can include in here in these boxes. So you can also insert the caption if you would like. You can change this one. For example, let's look for we have to look for other um, samples of the pictures. Okay, for the samples I just would uh, look for the nice picture. Okay, this one. Just select the one. Just only click and then right click, then copy, then look for publication, click over here and then to right click and then paste. So then you can insert the caption. Say Mr. Rosales and Sir Lito and Sir Lito uh, do their hands-on to the new PC. Okay, so the entire story should be included in here in these boxes. So you can also insert inside of the pages the story line, story phrase, then the secondary story headline. Say for example, man capital Mantalongon NHS participates participates inter high 2009. So that's quite uh, that is for example, that is an example of the headline. See, that's for page the front page. So you can have to access pages 2 and 3. For the pages 2 and 3, you can familiarize these um, headlines and boxes for the story of its story. So you can click and then you can replace. You can have this one to be changed. Say for example, inside story ICT um, ICT show ICT presents presents lab activities. That's it. This is only an example. You can change this one, the caption for page, the last page. So you can change this back page story headline to, say for example, uh, NHS intrams 2009. So you can change also these boxes for the text, and then you can have this portion for the mission and vision of the school. So that's all for publisher application. So just only save your application to my documents for whatever path you would like to save your file. Say for example, publication 1, and then save, then you close. I have here some examples of the publication. This sample, so we just have to resize the sample. So this is all about Mantalongon National High School, Dalagiti, Mantala, and ICT school publication. This is just an example, but there are some pictures pasted in this publication with some activities The details of this headline would be in these boxes. Other pictures are being pasted. So that's all um, for page 1 or cover page. So for pages 2 and 3 you can have, for example, this one, the first activity, other activity, inter high, and then intramurals with pictures without caption, because this is just only an example. Then for this one, being inserted if a picture of an auditorium. Then for the third page, the activity, which is inset 2009, this is held in the Dalagiti National High School. And for the Buwan ng Wika celebrated by the school, an activity during month of August, with the detail of this activity shall be read in these boxes. So we have other activity, which is Miss Intrams 2009. This is all about Miss Los Angeli Ares. And then for page 4, the back page, we have in the Mantalongon public ICT publication the vision statement, and then the mission statement. And then we have also other logos from Smart Pro, logo from the school, and then the last article written by the ICT coordinator, the brief history of NHS. Mantalongon NHS is located 13 kilometers west of the town of Dalagiti, which is 84 kilometers southeast of Cebu City. In its beginning, the Mantalongon National High School was only an extension high school of Dalagiti Provincial High School in 1966. It was housed in the Mantalongon Elementary School using 2 classrooms for the first and second year students. The school has a principal named Mr. Ramon M. Cortez with 34 teachers by now. And then the total enrollment of the students is 1,262 school year 2009 and 10. So it's about publication named Mantalongon ICT School Publication. The logo is being created by the ICT coordinator of the school using CorelDRAW, the best software design for logo making. So we have the highlights, the issues from this box: Inter High, Intrams, Antorium, Inset 2009, Buwan ng Wika, Miss Intrams 2009, and Impersonators. All of these news stories are being written by ICT coordinator Mr. Ramon M. Cortez from the Teachers Day, honored by some students from the 4th year. So I think it's time to end with this application. Don't forget to save your application by clicking save icon and then you close. Okay, for Cam Studio, this software is being used for lecture using the PC. We can capture the display of the PC by the use of this Cam Studio software. You have to end